This is my packet of Santhi clonal nursery. See, this is my first unboxing video. Hope so. Plants. I want plants to be great. Let's hope. I'm in doubt that plants are not good. But what the problem in hoping? So basically, I will collect them in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's cut it from over here. Okay. One more sharp cut. Oh, so I have to cut it from there as well. Hope so. Oh, over there it's not. It's not. Hoping so. Finger crossed. Oh, I need to cut it from over here. One more cut. Okay. Then another one cut. Okay. So sorry for inconvenience. I am recording it. Okay. See the video. Finger crossed. God, please. Good plants. I need good plants. Okay. It seems nice. Okay, let's put it in hand. Okay, this is small plant. I will put it here in this. Okay, 1. This one is good. This plant, I don't know which is it. I don't know. Take it in here. 2. So these are the good plants. Oh shit, I got 3. Which plant is this? The root system is well developed. Okay, this one. Let's leaves. Okay, this plant. Okay, this is also a plant of damaged. It's Tecoma, I think. Tecoma elder. I guess it will live. It will survive. I will make it survive. No issue with it. I will make it survive because it has a root system. So definitely I will make it survive. So this is Jasmine, I think so. Oh, I think so. Under this are the Ixoras. I don't think so. These plants are good. No, this is dead. My God, this is dead. I will make it survive. Out of the good quality. This plant, I think this will is also great. Underneath, the plants which are underneath are not that good. Actually these are packed in a cocoa peat. Maybe that's why these are like this. So basically I will put back if they have are been by this plant cocoa peat, not that good. And this one, okay, this is in good condition. Okay, I can say this is in good condition. So, and this also break off. So most of the plants are in good condition, but many plants leaf fell down. So basically I will make them survive. Let's see what happens. So these are my plants of Santhi online plants. So I think so some plants are good in a good quality, but this one, no, this is not a great quality. It has roots, but it is damaged. I will contact their customer services. This one is in good condition. I doubt this one. This plant, I don't know which plant is this, but I doubt will it survive or not. Let make it survive. This will survive for sure. Hope so. Let's send a video.